are the most critical terms for describing examination findings and guiding patients. Inspection. Inspection means the act of looking at or examining something closely. In the OET context, it is the first step of physical exam, okay? Documenting physical signs. For example, on inspection, the skin was erythematous and warm to the touch. Palpation. What does it mean? It means examining the body by touch. In the OET context, used to describe tenderness, masses, or organ size. For example, palpation revealed significant tenderness in the right lower quadrant. Tenderness. Tenderness means pain or discomfort when pressure is applied. In the OET context, an objective finding, what you detect, versus pain, what the patient feels. For example, there was a mild tenderness on palpation over the supraspinatus tendon. Range of motion, or ROM, okay? What does it mean? It means the full movement potential of a joint, okay? In OET context, crucial for orthopedic and neurological exams, okay? For example, the patient had a restricted range of motion in the shoulder, particularly during abduction, okay? Lesion means any damage or abnormal change in the tissue of an organism. In an OET context, used for skin, oral, or internal tissue abnormalities. For example, a small ulcerative lesion was observed on the inner cheek. Gait means the manner of walking or moving. In OET context, important for neurological and musculoskeletal assessments. For example, the patient exhibited an unsteady gait and required assistance to walk. Symmetry. Symmetry means balance in size, shape, and relative position of parts. In OET context, used to check for swelling, facial weakness, etc. For example, facial symmetry was intact. There was no drooping on either side. Swelling. Enlargement of an area of the body. In OET context, a common sign of inflammation or injury. For example, there was visible swelling and redness around the ankle joint. Posture. Posture means the position in which someone holds their body. In OET context, observing body alignment and comfort. For example, the patient adopted a protective posture holding their abdomen. Finding. Finding means something that is discovered. In OET context, the core content of your objective notes. For example, the most significant finding was a reduced grip strength. A reduced grip strength in the left